So, we're going to try this again. I never hit record on the GoPro. So, I just talked for like 5 minutes about how the sunset is behind me tonight, and it's not as beautiful as last night. Last night was just ridiculous. Blah, blah, blah. Nobody heard it. Oh, well. Heading to dinner before work. I don't feel as bad about going to work tonight as I did last night. And I'm hungry. I've got to the point where I don't even eat when I'm not, anymore. I'm trying to lose weight. I'm not starving myself by any means, but I'm not snacking at all. And that's really what I need to be not doing. Even at work, like last night in my 10-hour shift, I had a English muffin with tuna salad on it. And I'm not talking I'm talking about like one of those little packets full, not like a bunch of tuna salad. So I've gotten out of the habit of snacking. I haven't had a brookie. I haven't had a brookie since I left California. I'm still in a little brookie shock, but I'll get over it. So, this is pretty. Now that the lighting on this road, I know, lighting. I'm always thinking about the lighting. Is that good? Bad? I don't know, but I am. So hopefully on this trip I lose weight. I know that it's too soon to say I lost weight, but I feel like I lost weight, whether it's just not having a digestive tract full of meat and everything else, or I don't know. But I definitely feel like I lost, like I'm thinner. I feel better. So that's helping, because I wasn't feeling so hot, a little tired. And it helps that the temperature broke. It's 84 degrees and it feels like almost no humidity. Well, at least for here, no humidity. I went outside today during the day for something to check the mailbox or whatever, and I was like, it was the first time I walked out of the door and I didn't feel like someone just punched me in the face with heat. Because that's what it is here. It's a hot punch in the face when you walk outside. And I never felt that way when I was in Arizona. You know, it's all about the humidity, not the temperature. I'll have to say that my ride to work does not have many twisties. It's pretty much just go straight, turn, go straight. But it's still country enough where, like, way outside, well, not way outside, but just beyond the outer reaches of Tampa. So, like, you'll see I don't know if you can see the cows in the field next to me, and you got these huge trees. Like, this must have all been swampland at one point. I'm expecting to see a slime bouncing around, or a creeper come out from behind a tree. It just has that I'm in a swamp kind of feeling. And yes, for all those you who don't know, I am a super Minecraft nerd. So suck it up, get used to it. I ain't hurting nobody. I'm just playing. Just wandering around the world alone. It's a good feeling once in a while when life gets you all pissy. Some people drink, some people do drugs. I withdraw and play Minecraft. So it's my way of just escaping the everyday BS. So I don't seem to be doing it much on my days, on my work days, but I'll admit, if it's 100 and something degrees outside, sitting around playing Minecraft in AC is more appealing to me. You know, maybe it's just a fat thing, but whatever. The important thing is I keep busy, and I don't do my best not to get in trouble. Although yesterday I didn't do so good. I got banned from Facebook for 24 hours, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to get banned again right away, but I don't care. It's kind of like a protest at this point with Facebook. Not that they give a crap about me or anybody, but I'm starting to believe that Facebook, like a lot of people are saying, has become too powerful for its own good, which is a scary thing. And it doesn't matter if we all leave Facebook and go to like whatever the next Facebook will be, just like when everybody left MySpace and went someplace else. It doesn't really matter, because if you control the narrative on Facebook or any social media platform, and you have a team where you as the owner oversee the narrative, when these things are so huge, then you're kind of like controlling the minds of the people. You know, when you filter out one train of thought, it's kind of like, as an American with freedom of speech, it's wrong. I mean, to me, it's very wrong. You need to I mean, you have to look at it and go, how much power do you want to give social media? When you have the President of the United States, who's an idiot, tweeting the first thing that comes to his mind every 5 minutes, we don't need that kind of mental illness. Social media is kindergarten, and half the kids have a cold. You know, it makes it's like, oh, I'm okay. Look, everybody else is insecure. I could be really insecure too. Oh, yeah, that's not a good example. Let me think about this. I believe that social media is to the common cold. Social media is to mental health. That's it. Social media is to what mental health, what oxygen is to the common cold. The more media, the more you're exposed to something, the easier it gets to just let that part of you out. And a lot of that stuff isn't really good for society. So I think that people need to like really step back a bit, and I'm one of them. But at the same time, I want everybody to have the right to express themselves. I mean, one of the plus sides of this whole social media thing is you're really finding out who's the asshole. Excuse my language. I might bleep that, but I'm pretty sure I won't. You know, it's like, you have the right to say anything you want, and you know what? We have the right to judge you for it. Take that. And, you know, like, I try not to be political. I try. But I've never been political until Trump came along, because I know him to be a criminal and a cheater and a piece of crap since like the 80s. I've known this. I grew up in New York City. It still shocks me that he became president. And you can turn around and try to push this in my face any way you want as a Republican, but he's better than Hillary excuse is just not enough to justify the way he's. You say, oh, he's shaking things up. He's not really. He's not. He's still making rich people even richer. He's just not even secretive about it. All right, so this is too much of a political rant for a blog. All I'm going to say, I have nothing against Republicans. I have nothing against Democrats. I am neither. Matter of fact, when I talk to either one of them, they think I'm the other one. I'm smart. Okay? I can step outside of my place in the world and not judge for at least long enough to understand your points. And I know right from wrong, or at least I have a decent idea of right from wrong, and I don't just know it and then avoid it. You know, so it's like, I like ideas on both sides, but I'm definitely down the middle, and I mean, I might be straight down the middle. Whatever. This didn't go the way I wanted it to go, but you know what? Maybe venting about basic taboo subjects lately is, you know, you can't talk about politics at all. And again, nothing against either party. It's just like anything else, the extremists are on both ends, and whatever. I just don't like the man, and I think that biting my lip to be PC is the worst thing I can do. Anyway, don't judge. You can judge. You can hate me if you want. Don't come back if you don't want to. I'm not being mean. I'm just being honest. Like and subscribe.